Unlocking the mysteries of square brackets in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting aspect of the English language that often puzzles learners: square brackets. Square brackets, those two symbols that look like and hold specific functions in writing that can enhance clarity, provide additional information, and even alter the way we interpret text. So, let's unravel the mystery together and make square brackets your friends in language learning. Square brackets are used in English writing for a variety of purposes. They are not as common as parentheses, but serve some unique and important roles. Unlike parentheses, which add extra information to the main text, square brackets provide clarifications, modifications, or explanations within quoted material. This distinction is crucial for understanding when and how to use them. One primary use of square brackets is to clarify or add information to a quote. When quoting someone, you may encounter situations where the original text lacks clarity or is too general for your context. By inserting square brackets with additional information, you make the quote clearer or more relevant to your audience. For example, if the original quote says, "He said he would come," you might clarify it as, "He, my brother, said he would come," to specify who he is. Sometimes, when quoting, you need to make minor changes to ensure the quote fits grammatically into your sentence or to correct a mistake in the original text. Square brackets are used to indicate these alterations. This could be a change in verb tense, the addition of a word for coherence, or the correction of a typo. It's a way to show respect for the original text while making necessary adjustments for clarity. While not a direct use of square brackets themselves, it's important to mention the role of ellipses, in conjunction with square brackets. In quotes, you might omit parts of the text that are relevant to your point. Here, square brackets can enclose ellipses to indicate these omissions clearly. For example, he, the speaker, said, "I cannot endorse this action," where the brackets around the ellipses show that part of the quote has been left out intentionally. In academic writing, square brackets have additional specialized uses. They can indicate editorial comments, corrections, or feedback within a quoted text or provide translations for non-English terms within quotes. This helps maintain the integrity of the original while offering necessary context or corrections for the reader. Square brackets might seem minor, but they play a significant role in enhancing the clarity and precision of our writing. By understanding their functions, you can use them to your advantage in both academic and everyday writing. Remember, the key is to use them sparingly and only when necessary to add clarity or correct information. We hope this video has shed light on the mysterious world of square brackets and that you'll feel more confident using them in your English writing. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.